Using a Wells Fargo personal loan can be a convenient way to cover unexpected expenses or finance large purchases. To get started, first determine how much you need to borrow and what you will use the loan for. Wells Fargo offers personal loans with fixed interest rates and flexible repayment terms. Next, check your credit score, as it will impact the interest rate you qualify for and whether you are approved for the loan. You can check your credit score for free on the Wells Fargo website or through other credit reporting agencies. To apply for a Wells Fargo personal loan, you can visit their website or go to a local branch. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your income, employment history, and debt obligations. You may also need to provide documentation, such as pay stubs or bank statements. Once you have applied, Wells Fargo will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer, including the interest rate and repayment terms if you accept the offer. The loan funds will be deposited into your account, usually within a few days. It is essential to carefully review the loan agreement and understand the repayment terms, including the monthly payment amount and the total cost of the loan. You can make payments online, by phone, or by mail. Wells Fargo also offers automatic payment options to help you stay on track. To get the most out of your Wells Fargo personal loan, make timely payments and consider paying more than the minimum payment each month to pay off the loan faster and reduce the total interest paid. You can also use the Wells Fargo online platform to track your loan balance and payment history. By following these steps and understanding the terms of your loan, you can use a Wells Fargo personal loan to achieve your financial goals and manage your debt effectively. Remember to always review and compare loan offers from multiple lenders to find the best option for your needs.